Hello students, now today we solve the exercise 2.1 remaining question from the question number 7. Simplify 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 5 upon 1 minus 3 upon 8 into 3 upon 5. So first we simplify addition and multiplication and then. So take the LCM here. You are observing there 5 4s are 20. 20 divided by 4, 5, 4 5s are 20, 5 1s are 5 plus 5 4s are 20, 4 1s are 4 upon here 1 minus multiply 3 into 3, 9 upon 8 5s are 40. And now here 5, 5 4, 9 on 20 upon here we write the 1, take the LCM, so you get 40, 40 minus 9, 40 divided by 1, 140, 40, 41 is 40 minus, and is equal to 9 upon 20 upon, subtract 9 from 40, you get 31 upon 40. Now, here is the division. So, division change into multiplication or get reciprocal. 9 upon 20 into here 40 upon 31. So 40 divided by 20, or you write like this, 9 into 40 upon 20 into 30. So 20 twos are here and 9 twos are 18 upon 31. So that is the solution of given equation. Now students, question number 9, because question number 8 already explained in the previous video, that is the reciprocal. Reciprocal of 2 upon 5, I explained is 5 upon 2. So reciprocal of 2, just 2 upon 1, so 1 upon 2. The next question is question number 9, 2 upon 15 of 5 upon 2 of 13. As you know, of change into multiplication, then we solve it. 2 upon 15 of change into multiplication, and 5 upon 2 and of change into multiplication, and 30. And now multiply numerator into numerator and denominator into denominator. You can write here 1 if there is no denominator. So 2 into 5 into 30 upon 15 into 2 into 1, and multiply it. 2 5s are 30 and 30 is a 300 upon 15 to the 30 and 1, that is the 30. So 300 divided by 30, you get the 10 here. Is it clear? So remaining part of the question number 9, B, C, you solve itself. Okay. So next question number 10. Question number 10, that is also simplification. What is the simplification? Like this, 20 minus 10, 20 minus 10 into 3 upon 2. This is the question number 10. So simplification, as you know in previous classes, BODMAS. You know the BODMAS? Bird mass. You already know in the previous classes. So first we solve the bracket, but bracket is not here. Then we solve off, but off is not here. Then division, division is not here. Multiplication, yes, multiplication is here. So we first solve the multiplication. We get 20 minus 10 into. So how we multiply them? You can write here 1. 10 to 3 is a 30 upon 2 ones are 2. So then 20 minus 30 divided by 2, you get 15. And 15 subtract from 20, you get the 5. So same, we use the bird mass here and solve the remaining question. Now question number 11, that is the tricky questions and thinking questions about the proper improper fractions. So first you memorize the what is proper fraction, what is improper fraction, because I explained them in shortly in the previous video. So you solve them. So question number 11, check it. Question number 11. Just this is write any two fraction for which a. Question number 11, a part. A says the product is less than each of them. The product is less than. Product is less than each of them. Less than each of them. Less than each of them. Here you have to find out two fractions, that is the product of two fractions is less than each of them. So in this type questions, we take any two proper fractions. Such type questions, we take any two proper fractions. And you know proper fraction whose numerator is less than the denominator. So let we take the two proper fraction like as 2 upon 5. Another fraction 4 upon 7. You check both are the proper fraction. 2 upon 5, 2 is less than 5. Here 4 upon 7, so 4 is less than 7. And now check the product. The product is less than each of them. Check the product. Product of 2 upon 5 and 4 upon 7 is equal to 2 upon 5 into 4 upon 7. So you know 4 to the 8 upon 7 5 is 7 5 is yes 35. So what you get the product 8 upon 35. And now check the product is less than each of them. So check them. First we have checked 2 upon 5 and 8 upon 35. This is less or not. So take the LCM. You get the LCM here, that is 35. And 35 divided by 5. 5 7 is 35. And 2 multiplied by 7. 7 2 is 14. We use the comma here. And 35 divided by 35. So you get 1. 1 multiplied by 8. You get 8. And now separate them. 14 upon 35, comma 8 upon 35. So this is the product of two given fractions, and 14 upon 35 is the equivalent fraction of 2 upon 5. And now check. Denominator is same, 35, 35. So now 14 and 8, which is greater? So you check, use the symbol. 14 upon 35 is greater than 8 upon 35. Product is less. No, this is the product. So this is less than each of them. So this is less. I hope you understand it. And same process you do for the 4 upon 7 and 8 upon 35. So first you change the denominator in the same position by taking the LCM. 35. 35 divided by 7. 7 5 is 35 and 5 4 is 20. Use the comma. 35 divided by 35 you get 1. 1 multiplied by 8 you get the 8. Now separate them. You get the 20 upon 35 commas and 8 upon 35. So what you see? 8 upon 35 is less than 20 upon 35. So now it is proof. The first condition. Is it clear? Okay. So for this process, to find the two fractions whose product is less than each of them, we have to take any two proper fraction. What? Any two proper fractions. Next, B is here. What is the B? B part is says, what says? The product is greater than each of them. In place of less than, here is a greater than each of them. So for the greater than each of them, we take any two improper fractions. What is improper fraction? Whose numerator is greater than denominator. So you take any two improper fractions, 5 upon 3 and 6 upon 5. Okay. So you check them and I hope you solve this. First you find the product. 5 6 is 30 and 3 5 is 15, and then check it is greater or not. The same condition for the C. C is says that the product is greater than one fraction and less than another fraction. Here is a both greater and less. So what we do? Yes, one we take proper fraction, another we take improper fraction. Proper, one improper and one proper, and then multiply and solve it. If you have any problem, then you ask me again through my WhatsApp. Okay. So now, next question is start the word problems. This is also a word problem. And word problem, question number 12, which you can do. I read the question and you check it. What is the question? Question is, according to your book, Vidya. Vidya and Pratap went for a picnic. Nowadays, lockdown, so don't go to the picnic. Okay. Their mother gave them a water bottle and contained 5 liters of water. So Vidya consumed 2 upon 5 of the water. Pratap consumed the remaining water. How much water did Vidya drink? So first solution, Vidya consumed Vidya consumed is equal to 2 upon 5 of 5 liter. So is equal to 2 upon 5 into 5. So 2 into 5 upon 5. 10 upon 5 is equal to 5 to the 10, 2 liter. How much? It is 2 liter. First part. Second part. What fraction of total quantity of water did Pratap drink? Pratap drink. Pratap drink is equal to, what is the total water? That is 5 liter. And how much drink with there? 2 liter. So subtract 2, we get 3 liter. But question is asked, what fraction? So total is 5. So we write here 5. And how much? 3. So we write here 3. This is the fraction. Okay. So solve these questions. And remaining question 13, 14, 15 and 16, 17 you solve itself in your copy. If you have any problem, you ask me. So next topic is division of fraction. Division of fraction. Division of fraction. Division of fractions. Select A upon B and C upon D be any two fractions. Two fractions we define how? See, check. Here, there are two fractions. First is A upon B and second is C upon D. So now divide them. A upon B divided by, use the symbol of division, C upon D. And A upon B. Division change into product. And this fraction change into reciprocal. So what is the reciprocal of C upon D? D upon C. This D upon C. So what we do here? Here we do D upon C is the reciprocal of C upon D. And then we may multiply them. A into B upon B into C is equal to AD upon BC. So this is the product division of the fraction. Okay. So let's division of fraction by another fraction. We multiply the first fraction and the reciprocal of the second fraction. What? Multiplication of them and the reciprocal of second fraction. So D upon C is the reciprocal of C upon D. Let us check the exercise. Or you solve the question. Example. I given it an example. So how you write them? Simply here check another example. Suppose 2 upon 3 divided by 6 upon 7. Sorry. So what is 2 upon 3? Division change into multiplication. And what is the reciprocal of 6 upon 7? That is 7 upon 6. And now multiply it. 2 into 7 upon 3 into 6. We get 2 7 14 and 6 3 18, and simplify it. So you get 7 upon 9. And you saw simplification here also. 2 ones are 2 and 2 threes are. That 7 ones are 7 and 3 threes are 9. Or like this. I hope you understand it. So now we check the exercise, how we solve them. Next exercise, that is 2.2. Exercise 2.2. Here, questions: divide, reduce quotient to lowest form and convert into mixed number and needed. First, question number first, find 7 divided by 2 upon 5. Remember the question and answer according to the question. First, divide. Okay, let us divide. So 7 have no denominator. So of course we write the 1 as a. So 7 upon 1 and division change into multiplication. And then reciprocal of 2 upon 5. So that is 5 upon 2. 5 upon 2 is the reciprocal of 2 upon 5. This is necessary to write here. And then multiply them 7 into 5 upon 1 into 2. So you get 7 5s are 35 upon 2. So now it is not finished. Again read the question. Reduce the quotient. This is the quotient. When we divide, we get the quotient. This is the quotient. Reduced in lowest form and then find in mixed fractions. So I hope it is not changed into lowest form.
Please pick up the phone. Hello Hari Kishan, please pick up the phone. Hello Hari Kishan, please pick up the phone. Hello Hari Kishan, please pick up the phone.
Sorry for disturbance, students. Okay. So now change into mixed fraction. So 35 divided by 2, we get 2 ones are 2 and subtract, we get 1 and 5. 2 sevens are 14 and then subtract, we get the 1. So here 17 whole 1 upon 2. So this is the mixed fraction of 35 upon 2. When we change 7 2 is a 34 1 35, you get it. So same, we solve the remaining questions and division, find. So I hope you understand it and solve the questions. So exercise 2.2 from question 1 to 5 and remaining we solve. Okay. So exercise I am showing you. So you check the exercise and then pause the video and copy the question and solve them. This is the exercise 2.2. So I hope you solve these questions. Your homework is question 1 to 6.